If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful camera to elevate your content, this 4K digital camera for photography and vlogging is a fantastic choice. With its autofocus feature, 16x digital zoom, and anti-shake technology, it delivers crisp images and stable video, perfect for YouTube creators or anyone capturing moments on the go. The 3-inch 180 degrees flip screen makes it super convenient for vlogging and selfies, while the compact size ensures portability without compromising quality. Plus, it comes loaded with extras: an SD card, flash, 2 batteries, and a battery charger. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. Whether you're new to vlogging or want a backup camera with serious punch, this kit offers incredible value. If you'd like to check it out, I've included my Amazon affiliate link below. It won't cost you anything extra, but it does support the channel so I can keep bringing you more helpful reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.